What if I told you that one of the oldest side hustles on the planet could now make you more money than ever, with almost zero effort? That's right. Blogging, the granddaddy of online income, has just gone hyperspectral. For years, it's funded vacations, bought homes, and even built empires. But let's face it, writing daily posts, grinding SEO, and chasing traffic? Exhausting. But here is the game changer: artificial intelligence. Imagine cloning your best ideas 100 times faster, auto-publishing content that Google loves, monetizing niches you've never even heard of, all while you sleep. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to turn AI into your 24/7 money printer, starting today. Let's dive in. Let's go ahead and find a niche for you to be able to start making blog posts in. Open Google Trends and the Google News website. Now, here on Google Trends, you can find, on the Trending Now tab, topics that are being talked about today that people are actually searching for right now. You can get a clear idea of what kind of topics people are talking about and looking for on Google. Another effective way to find a trendy and effective niche is by taking inspiration from Google News. For example, they have categories here: business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And I recommend that you choose one of these here on Google News because it makes it so easy for us to find blog posts and topics to talk about. Alright, so I'm actually going to go into technology because technology is a niche that never stops, so I like technology. You will also find multiple sub-niches from which you can choose. For example, mobile, gadgets, the internet, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and computing. My suggestion is to go with a trendy one. For example, I will create a blog post on this topic. However, I won't copy a single word from any post, just taking the keyword and idea. Okay, now we have a niche and blog topic, let's move forward to the actual blog creation. I will use SEO Writing AI to create a fully SEO-optimized and high-quality blog post. This platform creates fully SEO-optimized blog posts for you with one click of a button. SEO Writing recently has released some very cool new features, some of them being enhanced image generation. If you need visuals to go with your content, SEO Writing has improved its image generation with sharper text, more realistic human images, and new customization options. You can now add brand names and additional instructions to ensure your image perfectly matches your message and style. You can also use their humanizer tool. If you've ever felt like your content sounds too robotic after creating it with AI, the humanizer tool is here to fix this once and for all. This feature rewrites your content to make it more engaging, ensuring that it resonates with your reader while still keeping SEO optimization in mind. This is also the feature that will allow your blog post to bypass Google's AI detection and be able to rank at the top of the search page. They also have updated reporting and analytics. The platform now offers improved reporting tools, helping you monitor the performance of your content so you can fine-tune your strategy and continue improving. So if you haven't started using SEO Writing for completely free yet, now is the time because we're going to be using it to perform this video. Just click the link in the description, and after coming to this page, click here and then create an account. Okay, this is SEO Writing AI dashboard. Here, you will find some tools to create blogs. First, the one-click blog post to create a perfect article using only the title. Next, the bulk article generator to generate up to 100 articles in a single click. After that, you will find the humanizer tool, and at the bottom, you will find some document creator tools. Alright, today, I will use this one-click blog post generator tool. Now, to create our article, we have to enter the main keyword here in this box. I will simply copy the title from the Google News article. Don't worry, we are not copying anything. It's just the keyword. After entering the keyword, enter the post title. If you are not sure about the title, you can generate the title with AI. And here it is, the title is ready. It's really a clickbait title. After entering the title and main keyword, come to the core setting. In the core setting, first, we have to select the language. SEO Writing allows you to generate articles in 48 languages. I am selecting English. Next, we have to select the article type. Here, you have to set the article type you want to generate. As my article is like a news article, I am selecting news. You should select one as per your topic. Next, we have to select the article size. With SEO Writing AI, you can generate articles in 4 sizes. I will go with a medium-sized article. Okay? Now come to the content settings. Here we have to set the tone of voice, point of view, and target country. As I am generating an informal article, I am selecting informational tone of voice. Next, in the point of view setting, you can set a point of view. My suggestion is to keep it none for this kind of article. After that, in target audience settings, I will go with the United States. Next, we have AI settings. This is pretty interesting and important. Here we can select the AI model. You will find all LLM models to write your article. As Deepseek is the most capable model at this moment, I will go with Deepseek R1 plus real-time SERP. Next, the text readability settings. As we select the SERP option, it will do it automatically. However, if we select the default or GPT model, we should use this feature. It will ensure AI detection and readability of the article. Our next setting is very interesting. You can extract or remove AI content from your article so that it can bypass the Google AI detector. Okay, I am going back to Deepseek R1 plus real-time SERP. Alright, next, we have another important feature called brand voice. It's basically to build your own brand voice. If you build your own brand voice, SEO Writing AI will generate constant articles that will seem like your own written articles. Open the brand voice option in a new tab, and then click on New Brand Voice. Now you can add a new brand voice using 3 methods: add text, web scrape, and upload a file. I will go with the web scrape option. Here we only have to enter the URL of our website. After entering the URL, click on Create Brand Voice. Now AI will analyze the web page and gather all the data. Now you can customize the information if needed. Once done, hit the Save Brand Voice button. Our brand voice has been added, and I am selecting it. Next, if you want to include any specific details like a phone number or address, then write them in this box. Okay, now we are in the most interesting part, the image generation and video integration. SEO Writing AI can generate images in various styles, and it can embed videos from YouTube. First, to insert images in your article, select Image from here. Then select the number of images you want to insert. You can add a maximum of 20 images to your article. After that, select the image style. There are so many styles available here, including photo, anime, cartoon, cyberpunk, fantasy, and more. I will select the photo style. After selecting the image style, select the image size. Next, in the Additional Instructions section, you can add information or additional prompts for your image. I think this time I don't need it. In the Brand Name section, I will enter AI Lockup. Now, if you want to include the main keyword in the first image as alternative text, then turn this on. Relevant keywords will be picked up and added to the rest of the images. Next, if you want to embed any YouTube videos in your article, you can do it from here. The AI will analyze the article and then search for related videos on YouTube. After that, embed the best one in your article. Okay, first, select Yes from here. Then select the number of videos you want to embed. After that, select a layout option. Alright, after completing the Media Hub setting, come to the SEO setting. SEO setting is one of the most important parts of blog writing. It will help to rank on search results. If you have the keywords for your article, then you can paste them here. If you don't know about keyword research, don't worry. SEO Writing AI will research keywords for you. Okay, let's move on to the next step, structure setting. First of all, the introductory hook brief. If you want to add an introductory hook to your article, you can add it to this box. Next, you can add or remove the conclusion, table, heading, quotes, list, and more. I will turn off the key takeaways. Others will remain. Yes. Our next feature is internal linking. This is very important. It will insert links from your existing article. This feature will help in SEO. To enable this, we have to link our website with SEO Writing AI. As my website is not connected yet, I am skipping this time. Don't worry, I will show you how to do it. So, watch the video till the end. Alright, our next option is external linking. If you want to add external links to your article, then turn on this feature. I recommend using this feature because then your article will be more resourceful. There are 2 options, custom and automatic. If you want to add specific links, then select the custom option. But if you select the automatic option, SEO Writing AI will research and add the links on your behalf. Our next setting is Connect to Web. This feature enabling it reduces AI hallucinations and improves accuracy. This is a very important feature that makes SEO Writing AI different from the other article generators. This AI tool is capable of web research on your behalf and writing resourceful and up-to-date content or articles. Only Perplexity AI has this feature, but when it comes to article writing, SEO Writing AI is far better. To enable it, select Yes from here. In the source links, I'm just going to leave it as number. Next, the search source. You can either leave it as real-time search or real-time news. It doesn't really matter because it's going to do a search and get it from the news anyway, so let's just leave it as real-time news. Okay, for citations, I'm going to leave it as number. The source date, all time and exclude URLs. I'm going to leave it as no. Our next feature is syndication. This option will allow you to create a Facebook post, email newsletter, LinkedIn post, Twitter post, WhatsApp message, and a Pinterest pin, all with one click of a button from the same blog post that you just created. For some of the ways that I'm going to teach you in this video to generate traffic to these blog posts, it is interesting that we create one blog post. Just choose yes, and for a Pinterest pin, you can choose yes as well. Okay, our next setting is Outline Editor. Outline is another important part of article writing. It enhances the structure and relevance of the article. However, it won't work with Deepseek and SERP. Okay, in the next step, Publish to WordPress, you can integrate SEO Writing AI with your WordPress website. If you integrate SEO Writing AI with your WordPress website, you will be able to post AI-generated content directly on your website. You just have to install the SEO Writing plugin on your website. Alright, our customization is complete. Now to generate an article in a single click, navigate to the top of the page and then hit the Run button. It will take some time to generate the article. Let's fast forward the part. And here it is. You can see the result. Alright, now let's see how you can connect a WordPress website and publish the article directly from SEO Writing AI instead of the boring copy-paste method. You will find the full documentation on SEO Writing AI. Let's do it together. Log into your WordPress website and then go to the Plugins tab. Click on Add New and search for SEO Writing on the search bar. Now install the SEO Writing plugins to your website. Once the plugin is installed successfully, activate the plugin. Now come to the SEO Writing plugin settings and click on the Connect button. If all goes well, you will see the added website in your Integrations section in your SEO Writing AI account. Once the process is complete, we are ready to publish the article directly on our website from SEO Writing AI. And you can see that my article has been published on my demo website, and it looks so professional. Now you can make money by Google AdSense and promote your affiliate product directly from this website. Alright friends, in conclusion, SEO Writing AI is one of the most powerful tools for article writers. With some new features, now it has become unbeatable. Now the question is, how expensive is the tool? Let's have a look. You can use a free version. In the free version, you can generate 5 articles and 25,000 words with all other features. In the starter plan, you have to pay only $19 per month, and you can generate up to 50 articles. Next, in the professional plan, you have to pay $79 per month, and you will be able to generate up to 250 articles with all other important features. There is another good news. You can enjoy a 25% discount if you use the AI Lockup 25 coupon code. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating blog posts with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.